In a world where hiccups were a sign of hidden potential, people eagerly awaited their first hiccup. One day, a young dreamer felt a sudden jolt in their chest. What was that? They wondered aloud. An elder nearby smiled. It's your potential waking up. The dreamer, inspired, began exploring new talents, each hiccup revealing a new skill. I never knew I could paint, they exclaimed, brush in hand. As the hiccups continued, so did their journey of self-discovery. Each contraction of the diaphragm was a reminder that greatness often starts with a small, unexpected jolt.